Hi, Cancer. Welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your reading. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you and just leave the rest, okay? Don't make it fit to your life if it's not your story. Let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Cancer, let's start with a angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. For my Cancer gang spirit, blessing, guidance, advice, or message regarding this reading. This one. All right, let's put this one here, Cancer. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Cancer, is sweetness. So I have no clue why this card is out here. Maybe you need to bring some sweetness back into your relationship. I don't know. Let's put this back here, Cancer. Let's open the rest of your cards and see why such a sweet card has come out for you today. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support to the channel, for your kind donations, your likes, your comments, your shares, and keeping me totally motivated to continue readings for you. Thank you so much. I'm very blessed and very grateful. And yes, if you're new here, Cancer, do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is just a small mini love bite, as I call it, just to check your energies, what you're going through in your love life, if there's any message here for you. Your longer readings have already been put up. If you've missed them, I'll put a link at the end of the video, and more are coming. So expect your next reading on Wednesday, Water Signs Wednesday, okay? So if you're looking for a private reading, yes, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. So bottom of my deck, Cancer, I do see the Knight of Swords. Okay, now this could generally mean an argument or a fight, some harsh words spoken to each other, and no wonder Spirit's message to you is sweetness. I think it's time to bring some sweetness back into this equation, because this is a nasty fight here. Let's open your cards and see what's going on. Knight of Pentacles, Hanged Man in reverse, Six of Wands, Four of Cups, Nine of Cups, Nine of Swords, Ten of Swords, Page of Swords, and the Magician. All right. Before we do that, before we clarify these cards, Cancer, let's take a few dialogue message cards and see if you guys wanted to say something to each other now, which you haven't. What would that be? Cancer and their person, Spirit. Okay. Let's take a few more from this deck here, Cancer. Okay. Let's put the rest back. And the first card here says, my heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. So did you guys have a fight? Was there some argument, some conflict here? Somebody said something mean and rude, horrid? Next card. My family doesn't understand our connection. I have told them about how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our love. So the conflict could be not just between the two of you, could also be between the family, or trying to convince the family to get your connection together. Next card says, walking away from you was the hardest thing I have ever done in my life, and it's my biggest regret. Next card. I was there for you when you asked me to be, and even when you were silently suffering, I heard your soul cry out to me, asking for my support. I always showed up for you, but when I needed you, where were you? have never loved anyone the way I love you. I didn't expect to feel so much, but your stone cold silence broke me. The pain is like grief. It feels like my lover died and I died along with them. Now I understand why this card is the overall energy, the conflict, the fight, the separation, walking away, the silence. I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I can't. Just come out and say it. Damn. Like one partner saying, force me to speak to you. Force me to tell you how I'm feeling. Every time I try and talk to you, you just shut me off. And my inner forced feelings remain buried inside. I mean, if I can't speak to you, why don't you ask me what I'm going through? Ask me how I'm feeling so I can relate to you, talk to you, make you explain. So that's what's going on, and Spirit is saying, I think it's time to bring some sweetness back to this relationship. I do see somebody trying to manifest something, I don't know what, let's see. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. What's the stagnancy which has happened now between the two of them? Lack of love here, or lack of expressing love. Somebody is not coming forward and saying what they should say, maybe not apologizing after the fight, and because of that I think things have really kind of halted right now. One person does want to come out of this stuck position now. They want a decision made. They don't want to, I don't know who this is. Cancer, this could be you, could be a cross watcher, but somebody definitely wants to not be stuck forever. They don't want to be in this hangman place for so long where you guys have stagnated your relationship. Nobody's talking to each other. They want to drop the fight now if possible. They want somebody, either them or you or both of you, to make some decision, because this no decision is not allowing them to sleep. They are absolutely miserable, not being able to sleep, having nightmares, thinking, when will this end? When will this end? And they actually want to have victory with their partner. Six of Wands, Spirit. Six of Wands. They don't want to have victory with their partner. They don't want to fight anymore. They don't like this conflict. They want to work on this relationship. They want to see the higher ground and see how, we can forgive each other maybe, or let this stagnancy get over. They're hoping that the worst is over and we can re-begin, because I don't think any one of you is in a very happy place right now here, Cancer. Both are kind of emotionally not feeling good, emotionally feeling drained out. Four of Cups in reverse, Spirit. What's this Four of Cups? Four of Cups in reverse. There is a lack of expressing romance, love, emotions, and that's the reason this connection is kind of in jeopardy, to be honest. This is a beautiful connection, could have felt like a soulmate connection at one point, but right now I think either somebody is not expressing themselves, or they fear that if I do express myself, I'll be rejected. And there's confusion, I think, on both sides. I don't see either of you being emotionally happy at the moment. Four of Cups again in reverse. So Spirit, why is this here now? Four of Cups in reverse. Somebody is feeling it's all over. There is a total feeling of rejection, dejection, feeling the offers are not coming. The offer is not coming. And because of that, I think it's leading to somebody feeling total lack of passion, wanting to come out of this Nine of Swords energy of, trying to, but not being able to. They are trying very hard to find or see the bigger picture, but this overthinking, overstressing is like almost making them feel that this relationship may be just over here. There is nothing here because I think somebody is being a little immature here or not taking charge or not coming forward, and things are totally stuck between the two of you. I do see a feminine energy here who's now very angry and very upset and feeling that somebody was not consistent in their behavior. They they never kind of stepped up to offer them what they deserved. Maybe somebody was being very immature here. Maybe they were not taking responsibility for their actions. And that's made this feminine feel very upset and angry and feeling that this is like, it's not moving, it's stuck now. And maybe it's time then it's, to release it maybe. They feel somebody is very, very mischievous or they feel every time their partner comes back to them, they try and have a communication, they try and have a conversation. It always and always leads to this conflict or a fight or an argument, or they say something which is very rash and rude and mean, even though the love is there. But now it's kind of, depleting here, Cancer. I don't know who this person is, but their communication skills, their level of maturity is actually what's making this feminine feel very upset and angry. So, what is this Magician card, Spirit? What is this Magician card? Magician. Okay, so one more. What's this Magician card? Somebody is trying to manifest their immature partner, let's say, the person who's not saying it straight or matching their energy. They are really trying to manifest them to grow up, basically. Grow up now and, let's kind of take responsibility, take action, because they being in this kind of childish energy, I would say, is actually making this feminine feel very ungrounded. This is the Queen of Pentacles, right? Now, because the King of Pentacles is behaving like a Page of Swords, immature, they are feeling ungrounded and unsettled. They are wishing and hoping or manifesting that one day, hopefully, my person will turn into the King of Pentacles. Though right now, I don't see that happening because there is still no emotional satisfaction here. 9 of Cups is in reverse and the 10 of Cups is in reverse. So, but somebody is praying, somebody is hoping that things can kind of change around where the partner can, step up to the plate. They feel, whoever the feminine energy is here is praying, hoping, yes, but they are also realizing that maybe this relationship is not even worth pursuing now because it's totally gone in opposite direction, which is not serving the connection very well. So if that happens, Cancer, whoever the feminine energy is, I think will be forced to move on and be single and take care of themselves. They do want their masculine to step up to the plate, but they don't want to make any unwise decisions where they are hoping for the rest of their life and the masculine is not showing them any growth. Yes, there is no clarity here. Somebody doesn't have the words, or maybe their partner doesn't communicate with them properly, or don't tell the truth, or don't say something which will clear the air, right? So I think there's a lot of stress and worry here on somebody's part because their person has maybe a lot of ego and pride, is not apologizing, is not stepping up to the plate, and somebody is thinking, I can't deal with this conflict forever. If this is going to go this way, then I might as well accept that this is the end. And I have to move on and be single and take care of myself and move on for something new in my life. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Cancer. Till next time then, which is on Wednesday is your next reading, right? So love and light till then. Take care. Namaste.